In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Capcut no internet connection issue. This frustrating problem can put a halt to your creative process, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it with some straightforward steps. Let's dive in and get your Capcut running smoothly again. First things first, check your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Often the simplest solution is the best one. Make sure you're connected to a stable internet. If you're using Wi-Fi, it might be worth checking that your router is functioning properly or trying to move closer to the signal source. Alternatively, if you're on mobile data, ensure that you have sufficient data allowance and that your network provider isn't experiencing outages. Next, let's try toggling the airplane mode on your device. This is a simple trick to refresh your network settings. Just switch it on, wait a few moments, and then turn it off again. This act essentially resets your device's connection to the network, which can sometimes solve minor connectivity glitches that might be disrupting your Capcut access. Our third step involves clearing the cache for the Capcut app. Over time, apps can accumulate a lot of cached data, which, while meant to enhance performance, can sometimes cause issues. Open the Capcut app, navigate to your profile by tapping on the human icon, then go to Settings, which is represented by the gear icon. From there, select Clear Cache. This will free up space and could potentially fix the connection issue by removing temporary glitches in stored data. After you have cleared the cache, it's crucial to ensure that your app is up to date. Head over to your Play Store or App Store and check for any available updates for Capcut. Developers frequently release updates to address bugs and improve app performance, and these updates might include fixes for the connectivity issues you're experiencing. Sometimes all your device might need is a good old restart. Restarting your phone can reset the network and app settings, often resolving any stubborn connectivity issues. Turn off your phone completely, wait a minute, and power it back on. This simple action can work wonders in getting all your apps, including Capcut, functioning properly again. Lastly, if you're still encountering the issue, consider switching networks. If you're currently using Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data, and if you're on mobile data, try connecting to Wi-Fi. Different networks can behave differently due to various factors like signal strength, network congestion, or geographic location, so this change might just solve the problem. By following these 6 simple steps, you should hopefully have resolved the no internet connection issue with Capcut. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to Capcut's support team for further assistance. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you. Happy editing,